In this task, we need to create an IAM policy in AWS using Terraform. The policy name should be IAM policy underscore JIP, and of course we don't need to specify any regions because I is a global service. It's nothing specific to any region. And then in this one, we need to allow read-only access to the EC2 console. That is, policy must allow users to view all instances, AMI, snapshots, and everything. So let's create that. We need to create main.tf file, and then if you look for AWS IAM policy in Terraform, go to this link, and then you can see a sample policy. So just get this and paste it. I'm just going to delete these comments. Just going to get rid of these. We don't need path, and then we need to give this policy name, this one. This is a resource name, so this is just for the Terraform understanding. So just put whichever you want, because they didn't specify anything here. And the policy name is this one. You can just give some brief description. Gives read-only access, and then here you can see policy equal to jsonencode, because Terraform usually writes in HCL, that's a HashiCorp language. So this JSON code is converting HashiCorp language to JSON policy, JSON syntax to understand to AWS better. So because in AWS we write IAM policies in JSON format, so that's fine. So here action, what we're doing here, easy to describe. So we just need this one. It's going to describe everything. That means read only permission to inside EC2, the dashboard. If you click on that, and then effect allow. If you deny it, so nothing is going to work. So this is allow. On resource, we are not specifying to any specific resource. I mean, not specific instance, not specific AMI. So it's for on all resources. That's why you put asterisk. So this policy looks good. Save it, and then run command Terraform init. And then Terraform apply. Before learning Terraform, please try to learn the basics of AWS or any cloud platform, so that would be beneficial. It says invalid value from for name must match this. Okay, let's. Oh, there's a space. My bad. That's been done now. Even you can check it. AWS IAM list iPhone policies, I think. So it's going to list out all the policies. You can grab it. Yeah, you can see that that policy has been created now. So if we check the task list now, it's successful. This is a very simple and straightforward task. Thank you so much for watching.